Ash, why don't you read it out loud? What does it say?
I found an intruder.
That says
Guys, listen to what it says. I found an intruder trying to break in the house last night. Imposter, he is downstairs. Be careful.
Somebody tried to break in the house last night?
He's downstairs.
Did somebody try and break in?
yes.
Okay, so let's follow
The string.
the string. Here, let me go first.
Because it's scary.
Yeah.
Mom, do you want me to hold the camera?
No,
Okay,
I want you.
I left the door.
Hold on. Hold on, let me go down. Guys, can you wait? Okay. You can come.
Gullible as my sisters.
What is that?
Santa.
Are you okay?
Ho, ho, ho.
Let me take it
Who
off.
tied me up?
It's okay. You don't need to be scared.
Ho, 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 ho. Now what do we have here?
Go over.
Now who are these children?
Is that Santa?
Ho, ho,
Yes.
You don't have to be scared.
I need to go for silent.
Who are you?
Say your name.
Guys call me S.
Ireland and Gage. And who are you? Ho, ho, ho. Now wait a second. Mommy and children. Where's Daddy?
At Zoza.
What's Daddy doing in Georgia?
I don't know.
Is he working? Yeah.
What does Daddy do in Georgia?
Work.
Why are you crying? Все будет хорошо. Гриша! Привет! Элла, иди сюда!
Well, we knew the oldest would figure it out soon.
Merry Christmas.
Come here. What's going on?
Who is it?
Come here.
Эй, Гриша! Как дела, Гриша? Все хорошо?
A good Christmas present, huh? Is it the best one we've had?
Daddy's home.
Yay.
Девочка Вера. Не скучал по вас. I missed you guys. Мне очень жарко. Хочешь мне помочь? Мне надо что-то снять. Can you help me take it off? О, очки? Держи.
How are you, Lenny? You don't know what to think, huh?
That wasn't that bad.